Hey guys, ArchieLuxury on an Emirates 777. I'm just talking watches and drinking coffee. Talking watches and drinking coffee. In business class on Emirates. Hey guys, it's ArchieLuxury. ArchieLuxury on the ArchieLuxury Pluta channel. Guys, today I'm doing a paid review. This is for Daniel. This is review 9, SE9. He goes, Arch, picking the copper Ming. Ming, it floats my boat, so don't squash me. I'm the guy that pays $2.99 all the time from Toronto on live chats. So he's buying a Ming. Ming, it's a boutique brand, and he's buying a Ming 17.06. And what is this Ming thing? Well, it's a kind of one of these boutique, micro brands there. This is a significant month. I'll just read you the press release. With not just 4 milestones, we marked our 2nd birthday last month, celebrating our 10 releases to date. They went on to say there, it would not be an anniversary without new watches to celebrate. Today we launched the Ming 17.06, a new entry point into our collection, and available in 2 very different versions: an etched copper dial with a polished case, copper, and a matte black with anthracite DLC case. First, to top it off, the 1601 copper, which is what my good friend Daniel has bought, has been selected as a finalist in the challenge category in the Grand Prix de Horologie de Genève. Okay, so this is a watch they're selling for around about just under the $2,000 mark. What do I think, Daniel? What do I think? Well, I'm going to be completely frank and honest with you. Look, I did a bit of research on this, and Jack, the famous Houdinki journalist, Jack Forster, he's actually quite a likable guy. I really like Jack Forster. He tells a story where he met, he was in the early 2000s. He was new to horology, and he was chewing the fat with the guy from Ming, the guy who became Ming, the watch brand. And he says that that guy became a world-class photographer, and he founded this business selling these watches. And Houdinki, actually, I'll put a link in the description below. He did a review on one of the pieces, and yada yada yada, backslapping. What do I think? I think, Daniel, you'd have to have fucking rocks in your head to buy this garbage. It's really nothing special. Uses a classic ETA movement. What is it? The 28. Let me have a look here. What does it use? It uses the ETA 2824-2. It's a 25 jewel movement. Big fucking deal. Big fucking deal. Big fucking deal. Daniel, it's fucking stupidity. You're pissing money. Buying these crap micro brands is stupidity. Why would you buy this garbage? That's what I really want to do. I want to know. I mean, for that sort of money, it was Swiss francs, 1250 US. That's not a lot of money, but you're pissing it into a campfire. It's not going to do anything. The watch isn't going to be worth anything. It's a piece of fucking shit. It's just another ETA-based micro brand. Big fucking deal. For that sort of money, you could have been halfway to getting a decent second-hand Breitling Super Ocean Heritage. Wouldn't that be a smarter way to go? I mean, why do you want to buy this fucking garbage? Absolute fucking garbage. And there's no value retention there. It is just stupidity, absolute stupidity. I understand you don't have a lot of money. There's a lot of good watches you could buy for that sort of money. If you want to really make a statement, you could get some Tudor, the Tudor Iconaut or the Hydronaut. They're fucking foul, pungent, and cheap. And they're backed by Tudor, Rolex Tudor Corporation. That's right. That's a much better buy than this fuck me dead and Ming. What is this fucking thing, man? What the fuck is it? Why would you buy this sort of garbage? I honestly don't understand in the least. Why would you buy this fucking garbage? I just don't get it. Why would you buy this garbage? Absolute fucking horological garbage. That's what it is. It's garbage. Nobody wants this shit. The industry doesn't want it. Nobody fucking wants this sort of crap. It's just garbage. Garbage. I mean, there's so many better stuff you could buy. I don't understand why you honestly put money. It's just fucking wasted. Absolutely wasted. It's wasted. It's just stupidity. Why would you fucking buy this sort of crap? I don't get it. Why, Daniel? Why? That's really the big question I've got for you. Why would you buy this garbage? I mean, what do you expect it to do? I mean, fucking hell, man. It's fucking garbage. And he says to me, he commented to Jack Foster at the end of the article. Okay, he says he what the fuck did Jack Foster say? I mean, it's Jack's mate, for fuck's sake. Okay? It's Jack's mate. What does Houdinki say here? It's his mate. They don't say anything about negative about anything. What do they fucking say? Okay, they mentioned that he was a photographer. Okay, what the fuck's he done here? So let's have a look. What does our good friend Daniel say here? What did Jack say to Daniel? Let's have a look, because this is madness. It's absolutely madness to fucking buy this sort of shit. I don't understand this stuff. Why would you buy this fucking garbage? That's the only words I can really say to you. Why would you fucking be that stupid to buy this sort of crap? I mean, seriously, why would you buy this shit? I can't even find your reply there, but I mean, fuck, man, it's an ETA based fucking nothing watch. It's a big fucking deal. Micro brands, it's so many of these fucking brands come out with just yeah, it's kind of arty-farty. Yeah, I get it. It's kind of cool. I get it. It is kind of cool. Yeah, man. It's cool, man. Well, it ain't fucking cool enough for the pontiff. I'm going to call garbage when I see garbage. I wouldn't buy this crap. Wouldn't buy it. Waste of money. Absolute waste of money. I'd rather use that as an air ticket. Fly somewhere. Do something. Have memories, because you ain't going to get any fucking money back from this sort of garbage. But I don't understand why you'd buy that. Honestly, I am completely lost why you would buy micro brand with a fucking nothing exciting ETA machine in it. What the fuck? Why, Daniel? Why? Is there some serious... I don't understand this shit. It's beyond me. Why you'd fucking buy that sort of garbage is way fucking beyond me. I don't get it. I don't understand. I really don't understand. So, there's nothing I can really say except why the fuck would you do that? So I'm just going to leave it at that. I'm going to call it a day at that. That's Ming, the new series. What do I think? I think you'd have to be fucking stupid. Even if they gave me one for free, I wouldn't even say anything nice about it. It's just fucking generic nothing. It's just nothingness. completely devoid of any fucking excitement or charm. Another cheap watch. Fuck. Just what the world needs. Another $1,000 US watch. Fucking hell, man. Fucking hell with an ETA movement. Fuck me dead. I'm Paul Pluta. This is the Paul Pluta channel, paid watch reviews. Remember, like, subscribe, tell your fuckhead friends, and don't forget to put some nasty comments below. Remember, guys, man cannot survive on Google Ads alone. I really depend on these paid reviews to keep me full-time on the tubes. So, guys, if you haven't done a paid review, now could be a very good time to do a paid review. Okay, guys, until next time, ciao, fuckaroonies.
Oh. Hey, ArchieLuxury fans. If you're into luxury, then you gotta be into 66 Buick Rivieras. Check out my son and I, Alex, as we restore this beautiful 66 Buick.
Neighbors are having a picnic, you know, having fun and stuff. Me, I'm doing cars. It's what I've done my whole life.
David SW. David SW. David SW. Who does ArchieLuxury recommend is the greatest grey market dealer in America? There's only one choice, David SW. That's right, guys. I've got to tell you the honest truth. I have, for a long time, been looking for the perfect answer. Who do I recommend people go to see? Who do I recommend that people can go and buy watches? And I've got to be honest with you. The greatest pre-owned dealer for Rolex, Patek Philippe, Audemars Piguet is David SW. David SW. David SW. DavidSW.com. That's right, guys. I have been looking for a contact who I can very nicely refer people to. I am not in the selling business. Customer service, I'm too old to sell watches. I'm too old. I like to recommend my viewers to a reliable source. In Australia, I've got some great sources. There's Sydney Watch Exchange with Cove, Ronnie at Vintage Watch Co, Shani at European Watch Gallery. And in America, who is the best source for pre-owned Rolex? For all the hot models? There's only one person I would recommend, David SW. David SW, David SW. That is the premier source for pre-owned Rolex. I gotta be completely frank and honest with you. Guys, if you are looking for a hot Rolex model, there is only one place you can go to. David SW. David SW, David SW. Let's be honest, guys, there's no point schmoozing the dealers, the ADs. They're just a waste of time. Unless you're going to buy 20 pieces, you are wasting your time. What you're better off to do is pay the market premium and go to a good pre-owned dealer. Who do I recommend? David SW. David SW. David SW. That's correct, guys. I want to tell you this now. I 100% stand behind David SW. David SW, the greatest pre-owned dealer in the entire United States of America. That's right, the greatest pre-owned dealer for Rolex, for Patek Philippe, for Audemars Piguet, David SW. He even does things like FP Journe. David SW, David SW, David SW. That's right. If you want to buy a pre-owned Rolex, a Patek Philippe, Audemars Piguet, there's only one good source I would recommend. David SW, David SW, David SW. I'm Paul Pluta, the method actor who plays Archibald Chesterfield III, and I'm proud to recommend David S.W. See you later. Thank you for watching this channel. Thanks for the well wishes, guys. They've really been, I really got so many nice little emails. That really, it's really cool to receive. I love it, love it, love it, love it, love it.